Hello everyone, welcome to Numeric Learning, and today is day 30 of the Do Math with Me. So this is a series exclusively for class 10th, and we are solving a set of questions every day from each chapter. So till today we have solved many questions from the first 3 units, and today we have got 4 important questions from the third unit of class 10th, which is pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So please take your notebook and let's get started. Pause the video, write the question and do it before me, and then verify the solution. Let's get started. So the question is, a man has only 20 paise coins and 25 paise coins. If he has 50 coins in total equal to rupees 11.25, how many coins of each kind does he have? So what is the variable here? What are the two different quantities that is being talked about? Two different kinds of coins. One is a 20 paise coin and the other one is a 25 paise coin. Okay, we do not know the number of how many 20 paise coins a man has and how many 25 paise coins the man has, and that's what we have to calculate. See, how many coins of each kind does he have? So whatever we have to find, let us take that as x and y, the unknown variables, right? So let the number of 20 paise coins be x. It's just the number of coins, right? Then the number of 25 paise coins, let it be y. This is the first thing, and x and y, this is the number that you have to find. Now what is given here? He has 20 coins in total. That means the sum of x and y, x plus y, is equal to how many coins does he have? 50. So x plus y equal to 50. This is equation 1. Then the second equation will be, the man has only 20 paise coin. We don't know how many he has, right? 25 paise coin, he has y. Okay, so but the total value of x 20 paise coin and y 25 paise coin is equal to 11.25. So we will convert it into paise because everything is in paise. So this is nothing but 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So we'll multiply it by 100. Okay, so we'll convert rupees into paise. So the second equation is nothing but, so 20 paise into x, that means that many, that's the total value it has, right? 120 paise is equal to, if he has just say 1, that 1 is nothing but your x is 1, that means he has only 120 paise. If x can be any value, x can be 2, that means 2 into 20 paise, 3 means 3 into, so we don't know what is x, isn't it? So 20 paise multiplied by x times 20, each coin is of 20 paise and he has x number of coins. So x into 20 plus y into 25, which I'll write it as y 25y, is equal to, what is it? 11 rupees 25 paise. Multiply it with 100, so you will get 1125. Everything is converted into the same unit, that is paise, right? Now from here you can take 5 common out. All of them are divisible by 5. So what do you get here? 4x plus 5y equal to 1125, right? So 4x plus 5y is nothing but, you can 1125 divided by 5. So 5 2s are 10, again 5 2s are 10, again 25, 5 5s are 25. So what is it? 225, right? Now this is your equation 2. Now we have to solve equation 1 and 2 using any of the method. So for right now I am choosing to go with elimination method. Okay, so I am going to multiply the first equation by 5. So this is your elimination method. So when you multiply equation 1 by 5, what do you get? 5x plus 5y equal to 5 into 5 multiplied by 50, which is 250. The second equation I'm going to write it as it is. So 4x plus 5y equal to 225. So what is this method called? This is called the elimination method, because I'm going to remove one term. I'm going to delete one term, right? Elimination method, right? So when I subtract it, this plus 5y minus 5y gets cancelled. So whenever you're subtracting two equations, you have to change the sign. Now, what do you get? 5x minus 4x is nothing but x is equal to what is 250 minus 225? It is 25. Therefore, you have got x. And what is x? What is your x? Number of 20 pice coins. Now, let us find out your y also. We can put it in any one of the equations. So, you can put x equal to 25 in your equation 1. So what do you get? We have x plus y equal to 50. That is your equation 1. X is nothing but 25 plus y equal to 50. Therefore, y is equal to 50 minus 25, which is nothing but 25. Okay. So you have got x is equal to 25 and y equal to 25. Therefore, you should write the final step as, therefore, the number of 20 pice coins is equal to 25 and the number of 25 pice coins is also equal to 25, and that's your final answer. The reason why I am writing so elaborately with steps, right? I could have very well read the question, read a sentence and directly written only the equations, but I did not choose to do that. Here, when we are practicing, right from the beginning, when you are solving the word problems or any question of for that matter, please make it a habit to understand the question first and write the steps, because every steps carry mark. Every step carries mark. Okay, so if you are writing like this, there is no way your evaluator or the teacher who is correcting your paper will not have any reason to reduce your marks, because everything is correct, isn't it? You have written everything in detail, you have written the steps, you have solved the equations, and you have finally, even whatever is asked, you have written it correctly, rather than just leaving it as x equal to 25, y equal to 25. But what does x mean? X means the number of 20 pice coins. Whatever you assumed initially, you have written it very clearly. If it is a 3-mark question, you are going to get full 3 marks. Okay, so please make it a habit right from the beginning. When you're practicing itself, write the steps clearly. Okay, and take your own time to do it. You can even cross verify, you can even check after you have completed it. So that's how you do all the word problems. Now let's move on to the second question. In a 2-digit number, right? In a 2-digit number, the tens place is 3 times the units digit. When the number is decreased by 24, the digits are reversed. Find the number. Whenever you have questions with respect to a 2-digit number, what you have to understand is, let the number be yx. That's what I'm taking. You can take xy also. In this case, what is your x? Your x is nothing but your units digit or ones digit. Okay. So let your units digit be x. And your tens digit, what's your tens digit here? Is equal to y. Right? So what is the expansion? So suppose your number is 52, right? What is your 2? 2 is your units digit. And what is your 5? 5 is your tens digit. How can you write 52 if you're expanding the number 52? It is nothing but 5 tens plus 2 into ones. Okay, you can also call it as ones. So 5 tens is nothing but 5 into 10 plus 2 into 1. I'm not writing that, right? Any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. So similarly, if it is 91, how can I write it? 9 tens and 1 units place, isn't it? So 9 times 10 plus 1. This is the expanded form of any given number, right? Suppose, so similarly, if the number is yx, what is the original number? Your original number will be y 10 times, right? 10 times you have y, okay, or y 10 times and x is just once, one time, or units. So the expansion is nothing but 10y into 10 or 10y plus x. This is the expanded form of the original number yx. Now if you're reversing the digits, that means if yx becomes xy, okay, so the reversed number will be just interchange the places, 10x plus y. Just interchange, right? So if this original number is yx, that means 10y plus x. How will be the reverse number? Will be xy. So 10x plus y, right? So whenever you see this particular word, two-digit number, this is a default thing that you have to start, right? Now let us go ahead and read the question. What is the first statement? In a two-digit number, the tens place is 3 times the units digit. The tens place, that is y is equal to 3 times the units digit. This is your equation 1. And then, okay, so I have written this. The tens place y is nothing but equal to 3 times 3 multiplied by units digit, which is x. So y equal to 3x is your first statement. It's complete. Second statement. When the number is decreased by 54, what do you mean by the number? The original number. So when the number is decreased by 54, that is when 10y plus x is subtracted by 54, the digits are reversed. That means in that case, it's equal to 10x plus y. Now let's solve this. What do you get? 10y plus y will come to this side, minus y plus x minus 10x equal to minus 54 will go to the RHS side. So plus 54. So what do you get? 9y minus 9x equal to 54. 9 common out, what do you get? Y minus x equal to 54. Therefore, y minus x equal to 54 divided by 9. 9 6 are 54, right? So, y minus x equal to 6. This is your equation 2. Now, first equation is y equal to 3x. So, just put 1 in 2. So what is y equal to? 3x minus x equal to 6. So 3x minus x is 2x equal to 6. Therefore, your x is equal to 3. If x equal to 3, then therefore, what is your y? What is your y? Y equal to 3x from equation 1, right? From your equation 1, y is equal to 3x. And what is x? X is 3. So therefore, y is equal to 3 multiplied by 3, 9. X is 3, y is 9. So what is the number? Therefore, the number, what was the number that we assume? It is yx, isn't it? What is the number that we assume? Yx. So what is your y? Y is 9. So therefore, the number is y and x is 3. 93 is your final number. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. Is it clear? So please pause the video and understand this. So if this is a topic which you have not been taught, take time and think, replay this part, this segment again, because probably a similar question is the next question. I will also be doing the third question the same way. Whenever you see this particular term, right, two-digit number, what should you take? Let the two-digit number be yx. So units digit is x, tens digit is y. So the number is 10y plus x. The reverse number is 10x plus y. After writing all this, then you apply the logic. Whatever is given, you have to apply that logic here, right? The way I did it here. So just redo it and try doing it once, okay? It is really not at all sufficient if you just watch the video like watching a movie. It might seem as though you are understanding it thoroughly, but you will not be able to understand. You will not be able to solve it independently if you are asked the same question in the exam. So please always make sure maths is a subject which you can learn only by practicing. And that is the whole intention of this Do Math With Me series, right? So let's go ahead and let's take the paper and a pen and let's solve it. So this is the third question of today. The sum of a two-digit number. I just told you, the minute you see this term two-digit number, what are the things that I will write? So let my number be yx. Okay. So let the units digit be x. Let the tens digit be y. So therefore, my original number, the expanded form of the number is nothing but 10y plus x. The reversed number, that means if the digits are reversed, the reverse number is equal to 10x plus y. I haven't read the question yet. The minute I see the term two-digit number, these are the basic details that I have to write. Now let me go ahead and read it. What is the first thing? The sum of the two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 165. That means the sum of the two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing, the sum of these two is 165. Let's write it. So 10y plus x plus the sum, isn't it? It's given sum of the two-digit number. So this is your 2y plus x is your two-digit number. And the number obtained by reversing the digit. This sum is nothing but it's given as 165. So let's solve it. 10y plus y, 11y. X plus 10x, 11x equal to 165. Take 11 common out. So x plus y equal to 165. So x plus y equal to 165 divided by 11. So 11 ones are 11, 55 and 11 fives are 55. So you have 165 divided by 11. If you cancel it, it is 15. So x plus y equal to 15. This is your first equation. What is your second equation? If the digits differ by 3. What do you mean by differ by 3? X minus y or y minus x, anything, is equal to 3. This is your second equation. Now let's go ahead and solve it. Just add. Because I have a plus y in the first equation and a minus y in the second equation. So adding 1 and 2. What do you get? X plus y equal to 15. X minus y equal to 3. Just add them. You don't have to change the sign. So what do you get? 2x equal to 18. X equal to 9. Just substitute x equal to 9. Put x equal to 9 in any one of the equations. So in equation 1. So what do you get? 9 plus y equal to 15. So y is equal to 15 minus 9. What is 15 minus 9? 6. Therefore, y equal to 6. So what is your number? Therefore, the two-digit number is yx, isn't it? Y is nothing but 6. X is nothing but 9. 69. Right? So this is how you have to do it. Is it clear to all of you? So this is how you have to do whenever you have sums related to two-digit number. This is how you have to do it. Okay, please solve. And the last question, I will just tell you how to do it and you have to do it and comment if you were able to solve it and what was the answer that you got. Right? Yes, so this is the last question of today's practice. The angles of a triangle in decreasing order. So you have a triangle. Whenever you have angles in a triangle, what is the one thing that you know? I'm going to write, we know that the sum of all the angles, the sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This is something which we know, right? Now what is given? The angles of a triangle in decreasing order is x, then y and then 20. The difference between the two angles is 50. Find x and y. Very easy question. So the three angles are x, y and 20. So what will be the sum? X plus y plus 20 is equal to 180. So what is x plus y? 180 minus 20, which is 160. Let this be equation 1. Then what is given to you? The difference between the two angles x and y is 50. That is, you are also given x minus y. The difference between the two angles is 50 degrees. Let this be equation 2. You have to just add the two equations and solve for x and y. Solve for x and y. And you have to comment what answer you got. Okay, so this is something which I'm leaving it to you. Very easy, just add it up. Okay, so I think that's all for today. I hope you learned. I hope you practiced it along with me. And I will wait for all of you to solve this last fourth question and comment what your x and y is. Okay, that's all for today. Happy learning. Take care. See you all in the next video tomorrow. Thank you. Please do share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe. Bye.